Shalom Bashem Adonai El Shaddai Elohei Avraham Yitzhak ויעקב. מה זה אנחנו הולכים ללמוד היום? בראשית. בראשית. Greetings in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. What are we going to see today? Genesis. Genesis. What really happened in the beginning? And why are we here? Why things are happening the way they do today? What really happened? Let's see. Genesis means Bereshit in Hebrew. Bereshit is made of two parts. Be, which means in the. Then Reshit, head of, start of, beginning of. The root of Bereshit is Rosh. Rosh means head, comes first before anything else. Genesis 1:1. Bereshit reads, God created the heavens and the earth. At the head of all things, before anything else was, God, who must have already existed, created the heavens and the earth out of nothing. Nothing at all. The very first word God gave us, Bereshit, lets us know God exists before the start of anything, before anything was. The Big Bang Theory, forget about it. So what happened? Why are we in this situation? What happened? Let's see what really happened and why we are here in this situation today. Now that we have understood the meaning of Bereshit, Genesis, why are we in this situation today? What really happened? We have to go back to the very beginning, Genesis, Bereshit. What really happened? So in the beginning, Genesis, Adam had a goal. We have the starting point and finishing point. So the starting line and finishing line. So Adam's goal was to ascending from the beginning to the end. So after what happened in the garden, once Adam ate on the fruit, humankind has been descending instead of ascending. What does it mean? Almost 7,000 years, we have been going the wrong direction. We made a U-turn. So now, 2024, people are waking up, trying to go back to the right direction. And guess what? That's why you hear people say reset, new world order, great reset. Why? Resetting what? Because they want people to keep going the wrong direction instead of making a U-turn this time in the right direction. This is what's happening. So time has come, time such as this has been prophesied that people, the true people of God, will wake up and find the right way. So we are finding the right way. That's why you see the world is fighting for this awakening to happen. But again, you can't prevent prophecy from happening. Never. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Toda rabba, tov meyod.